Happy Sunday. Welcome back to Team Shania. We're here at Alice Beach today and we're going to wallpaper an elevator. So when you do a box, they're usually pretty square like this, and we're going to teach you or tell you how we try to make it look symmetrical. This paper is not actually balanced, as you can see, but what we like to pleasing to the eye is the stripe to be in the middle. So here's the middle. We made a mark, and we are going to make, the reason we decided that was going to be the best one is it'll be a nice bold stripe in the middle, bold stripe here, bold stripe here, and then it'll be very, very symmetrical. And we're also going to go right up the ceiling and, go that way. And I'll show you some videos of that. So because this is not centered, this stripe is not centered, it's offset, we're centering the stripe here. So that gives me 13 inches on this side and 8 over here. And we measured it, the 13 off the left puts it right here, and 8 inches off the right puts it right here. So it's gonna be perfectly perfect. And we'll show you how we do the wall first, and then we're gonna do the ceiling, and then we're gonna come around and finish it out. Tanya's got me this paper all rolled up, and I'm gonna put it on the wall. And I marked me a line right here with my level. And look how good this is going to be. We want this blue stripe to be centered. I kind of got a little estimate of the line going. But to check to see if it's going to be perfect, that measures to the center of the dark blue line 20 3/4 inches. So we go to the left side. 20 3/4 inches. Actually, it's about 1/16 off. So, with that being said, I'm going to just take it off a little bit. Even over just a little. Okay. So it looks like it's short, but it's not. I'm going to unbook it. And hopefully it makes it, and it does. Very nice application. So just to check my everything, I go ahead and check it. It looks like it needs to go this way a little bit. Got a tape measure. We're going to measure here, 21 3/4. It's off. It needs to go that way, about 1/16. You're like, why does it matter so much for it to be perfect? Because it does. There it is, 20 3/4. 20 3/4, close enough. Lights on. Happy Sunday from Alice Beach. Well, we started a video telling you about Symmetry. Well, here it is. I want to show you. We started with the stripe in the middle, and the paper, just made a really nice balance. And you can see it's exactly the same all the way up and back around and through and down the sides. Perfect job, Team Shania.